So how do you have a great performance in a customer encounter? Well, take a look at the stage, look at the theatre. In order to make the most of rehearsal time, in the theatre, a director observes and gives feedback to the actors. Musicians, when they're in a band or an orchestra, a conductor rehearses them, and after a passage of music, will stop and give feedback to the musicians about what they did right and what they did wrong. So this is a valuable lesson you can take away to rehearsing Agile teams for customer encounters, presentations, demonstrations, that sort of thing. So you need to rehearse, but you need to have an observer present as well, who will observe and then at the end give feedback. This observation role is really important, and it's something which is best rotated. So rather than pick just one person, just a coach, just to do it, it's really useful to have people rotate that role. So when you rotate all the roles in the particular encounter, you should also rotate the observer. Now, as an observer, what do you need to do? Well, if it's a short encounter, which it should be, if you look at rehearsals on the stage, or as musicians, they don't typically run through the whole piece. What happens is you'll practice particular sections. So, you should practice particular sections of the encounter and give feedback on that particular section. Divide into sections, and if it's a short section, which it should be, you should be able to give feedback on exactly what's going on. For longer stuff, yes, you do need to have dress rehearsals, full practice, where you run through the entire piece top to tail. In that situation, sometimes videos are really helpful because it allows people to see. But observers are useful as well, because the problem with video is it only has one direction, it's flat. Observers, they can look in 3 dimensions, they can see bodies, they can see physicality in a way which video often misses. So, rehearse, but rehearse with observation. Think about somebody who acts as a director or as a conductor to help, to coach, to guide, to give feedback.